Hi! Wellness with you. I'm Lenny Bartolo from Marikina, owner ng HBC Wellness. Kaya po ako sumali sa competition na to is para maitaguyod at iangat ang tingin ng mga Pilipino sa isang massage therapist. And then, naniniwala ako sa kasabihan na pag hindi ka marunong lumingon sa iyong pinanggalingan, meron kang stiff neck na kailangang i-therapy. Thank you!
Good afternoon everyone. Kasi Carlo. Invite dito ako ngayon para isang contender na ikan tayo from yourself na tayo.
Good afternoon, everyone. Wellness with you. I'm Mr. Fidel Tanti, representing Caloocan City, OFW for 13 years in Saudi Arabia, profession as a massage therapist. Thank you, PMPC, for inviting me to join here in the Philippine National Massage Competition 2025, and thank you.